Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for July 7th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair first. This pair moved higher, did break previous area of support, but closed below it. We are looking for this pair to continue moving generally to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 81.78, possibly as low as 80.40. Look for some resistance around 81.50 and look for some support around 81.05. Now, the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed higher, although it did have a very strong move to the downside prior to returning higher. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 145.04, possibly as low as 141.44. Look for some resistance around 144.25, and look for some support around 142.15. Now, the pound-US dollar pair, this pair closed down, barely broke the previous session's low, did close above that. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 160.80, possibly as low as 158.75. Look for some resistance around 160.15 and look for some support around 159.15. Now the US Swiss, this pair moved to the upside. We are looking for this pair to overall continue moving sideways, potentially going as high as 0.8537, possibly as low as 0.8327. Look for some resistance around 0.8485 and look for some support around 0.8362. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the Canadian dollar releasing their unemployment figures at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's held at 7.4%. We have their net change in employment showing a decrease from 22.3K to 15.0K, which could be good news. Now, we also have the U.S. releasing their non-farm payroll at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has jumped from 54K to 105K. We also have the Chinese releasing their CPI for June at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that their CPI has jumped from 5.5% to 6.2%, which could be negative news. Now, let's take a look at what I'm looking for during this next session. First, we have the U.S. Swiss, which we're on, has created a swing trade opportunity over the past 3 sessions. I am looking for a breakout to the upside of that, looking to buy right here, and at very least looking to grab a couple of pips to the upside. If there is room, we have an area there. Be the very first point I would look to exit, and then kind of moving on up, we have a couple of others. So right here we have about a 20 pip move, 18 to 20 pips, then about 38 pips to the upside, and then 62 pips. So along the way, a couple of exits there for that buy. Use the risk to reward of 1-to-1 is what I'm looking to do. Now, in the US-Japanese yen pair, we have a trend line, fairly strong. It's been hit basically 3 times now. 3 times to create it. Looking for a buy at around the 81.42 mark. Looking for that to come on up to around the 81.60 mark. Grabbing just a few pips out of there, about 20 from that move. So those are the 2 trades that I'm looking for over this next session. Well, I hope that helps. And until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.